Hi everyone, I'm Cassie, and in my kitchen today we're going to be making a super simple kimchi fried rice. It's so easy, you don't even need a knife, so it's the perfect first step into Asian cooking. But it really is so simple, so let's just get straight to it. As I said, this is super simple, so today we only have 5 ingredients, and that is our rice, our kimchi, our egg, oh, don't crack that on the table, our gochujang, and our soy sauce. You actually don't really need the soy sauce, but I like it for a little bit of extra flavor. Now let's get going. Okay, so now we're just going to crack and lightly beat our egg. You can use more egg if you want, but I'm just going to use 1 egg for these 2 cups of rice. Sometimes I also put a little bit of sugar and a little bit of soy sauce in here to flavor up the egg. But we're doing a lazy version, so none of that today. Okay, so now we're going to put our frying pan onto a medium-high heat and put in about a tablespoon or 2 of oil and let it get a little bit hot before putting in our egg. I hope you didn't just hear my stomach growling. You also want to get a plate ready because we're just going to cook this to about 80% done and then take it off, because then we're going to put it back in afterwards. So that looks like it's heated up quite nicely. So now we're just going to add in the egg. Let it do that a little bit and then start filling it around. Okay, and then turn off the heat. Okay, that's pretty much done in like, what was that, 5 seconds? 10 seconds? This kind of thing. And we're just going to plop that onto our plate. And this is what our egg looks like. Mmm. Yellow sludge. So just see if you have enough oil there. Because the kimchi has a lot of sugars, then it kind of starts to get stuck on the pan. So just make sure that you've got enough lubrication on there. And then we're going to get our kimchi. And I'm just going to use like half of this tub, I guess. We don't want to add the liquid yet. That's about half of it. Also, I use different chopsticks for this. Don't use your egg chopsticks to put into a tub that you're not going to finish. And just kind of heat that up a little bit. Again, this is still on a medium heat at the moment. Sometimes I like to add some garlic just before I add in the kimchi, but today we're doing a version with no cutting, so no minced garlic today. So having added the kimchi in, the pan has got quite a bit colder, so I'm just going to turn up the heat. Okay, and now we're going to add in our rice. And here we can just add about a tablespoon of soy sauce. That about a little bit. And then we're just going to add about 2 teaspoons of gochujang. That's 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. You might find that you need a little bit more oil, looks like I do. So I've just added about a tablespoon of oil there because it's starting to stick to the bottom of the pan. And you know what, I'm just going to add some more soy sauce because it's not looking brown enough for me. I don't want there to be like any white bits left over. So usually with fried rice you want to have it on a really high heat so that everything's kind of popping and getting quite dry. But with kimchi fried rice it's a little bit different because you've got kind of the liquid of the kimchi. Speaking of which, if you can get any kimchi juices out of your little kimchi packet, then just try and get like a couple tablespoons in there. I said a couple tablespoons, I meant a couple teaspoons. Now all we need to do is add our egg back to the mix. Break it up a little bit and just like incorporate it through the fried rice. I also see this quite often with a fried egg instead, and then you can have like a nice bit of a contrast between the runny yolk and the rice. But I kind of just like finding little nuggets of fried egg in my rice. Okay, and that's pretty much done. Basically, at this point, all I do is just add a little bit of salt and pepper. I know that's kind of cheating. It makes it into like 7 ingredients instead of 5 ingredients, but you know, you've got to have salt and pepper. Okay, and we're done. So turn off the heat and plate it up. I put a little bit of extra uncooked kimchi on the top just for some visual impact, but it doesn't look so great when you just pick it up like this anyway. But it tastes good! Did you enjoy that kimchi fried rice? I know I will. If you want to keep experimenting with me, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button for a new recipe every Sunday. But that's all for now, see you next Sunday. Bye!